Let's go on an adventure.
Oh shit, there's the, oh my god, there's the sun. We gotta go. Huckberry is gonna kill me. Oh, they're calling. Hello? Yeah, I know, I'm so late. The sun is already up. Okay, sorry. I'll try and get up there quick. Really? Oh my gosh. It sucked to just kind of John Wick yourself back down, but we're here. I hope the box is here. Hopefully it's here. I hope nobody took it. Oh, this isn't good. Okay, I don't see it. We're gonna send the drone up. We're gonna recon the area, see if we can find this package, because if not, I'm screwed. Okay, let's send it. Yeah, the package, it wasn't there. I'm sorry. Really? They hung up on me? Oh, God. Holy sh... I still am a little scared. I have no idea how I got this box in this car with no key. Huckberry is just wild. Let's open it up though. They obviously want me to have it. I don't know what's in this, and I'm a little scared that Huckberry has been in my car. But maybe this is for Iceland. Oh, I think it is. Look at this. Merino wool socks. These are so nice. Oh, this is a Welland swimsuit. Look at that. This is going to be for the Blue Lagoon. That is amazing. All the hot springs. Look at that hat. Topo Designs. That's going to be nice. Proof hoodie. Yeah. A Proof t-shirt. Look at these pants. From Rourke. Those are nice. and Vivo barefoot boots. Thank you, Huckberry. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. This gear is so cool. So if you didn't know, in 2 weeks, we are flying to Iceland for 10 days of exploration, all provided by the comfort of Huckberry. This gear is gonna be amazing. We're gonna make a full video about our 10 days exploring every inch of Iceland, and I'm so excited to take you all along and just show you something new and put one of my favorite brands to the test. I'll see you in Iceland.